Sofia and I am a senior doing a dual degree in biology and neuroscience with a minor in pharmacology, and I am part of the Jaramillo lab, and we basically do neuroscience research and we look at the brain circuits that are related to anxiety and stress during alcohol withdrawal periods. So our main goal is to basically be able to develop a drug that will help people not suffer anxiety or stress when they're going through withdrawal periods of alcohol. For us, it's important to do alcohol research because a lot of Americans suffer from alcohol use disorders. So we think that a big help would be to be able to help them get rid of the anxiety and stress, because this is one of the main reasons why they relapse in addiction to alcohol. So besides being a dual degree in biology and neuroscience, I'm also a pre-med student. So when I started taking my neuroscience classes, I found a neuropharmacology class, which I definitely loved, and it literally made me fall in love with pharmacology. So when I finally felt ready to go into a research area, I was looking for labs that were related to neuroscience and pharmacology, because I wanted to be involved in research that was human related, but still something that I found that it was cool to do. And when I found the Jaramillo lab, I think it was like the perfect combination of neuroscience and pharmacology, because we do neuropharmacology mostly. And after I met with my now mentor, Dr. Jaramillo, I knew this was the right place for me. They are all very welcoming, and being in the lab has just taught me so many things besides what I learned in the classroom. Like all of my biology, neuroscience, pharmacology classes truly have gave me the foundations of knowledge that I now have, but then all of this knowledge I've been able to use in my lab. So it's really cool to be able to use everything that I have learned in my majors and my minor and combine it into like actual practice and like actual work that we do every day in the lab. Being involved in research here at UK has allowed me to attend first the National Conference on Undergraduate Research, which that was the first conference that I ever attended. And after that opportunity that UK allowed me to have, I felt ready to go after like bigger things. So then after that, I applied for a summer fellowship, and I actually got awarded the CURE fellowship here at UK. So that allowed me to do research over the summer, fully funded. And then after that, the opportunity of competing in the 5-minute fast track research competition opened up. And at first I wasn't ready, like I didn't feel like I was ready to do it. And it took me forever to sign up until they sent like a last email. They were like, we have like 2 spots open, anybody? And I was like, you know what? Why not? Like I don't lose anything by just like trying to do it. So after sign up, I started to get ready for that, and I ended up placing second, which it's great because it was definitely a big challenge for me to be able to put into non-scientific language what we do in our lab. And for me, it was like a good thing to see that I was able to accomplish that, and I was able to accomplish like just explaining to people what we do everyday life in our lab. And I feel like also just being an international student, like all of these different opportunities, sometimes it just feels like you're just not prepared enough for it, and that there will be like people that are like way better than you. And this is your sign to just like go for it. Like you don't lose anything by just trying. Experience is what makes you better in the future. And now I'm also gonna be attending ENCORE in 2026, so I will be attending the conference one more time, which I know will be a great experience, and I hope to learn way more than what I learned on my first time there. I feel like one of my biggest takeaways from everything that I have done in research and competing and presenting is just confidence. So I feel like just believe in yourself. I know sometimes it's hard believing yourself, like you got this. And once again, even if you don't get it in the first try, you can try again, like you will get it at some point. And even just the experience that you get from just doing everything, like you learn how to write better. Like I feel like my writing skills have improved, my just communication skills have improved, my science and lab skills have improved. So I just feel better about myself, and I know and I am confident that what I do is good, and that I am trying my best every day, and that even if I'm not the best in my field, like I know I'm learning more and more every day to just be my best version. So for people that are just getting into research, or you're not sure if you should do it, I feel like my biggest advice in this is email professors. Like if you see that somebody is doing a research project that you find interesting, just email emailed them, I ended up finding my place, and you will too. And it's okay to also say no if you feel like a place is not right for you. I looked at a few labs and I was like, this doesn't feel like the place where I will like feel the most confident at, and that was okay. I just waited a little while, I sent more emails, and I ended up finding the lab, which I am glad I waited because I've been here for almost 2 years and I don't like regret ever joining this lab. UK is such a big institution for research that you will find at least one person doing something that you're interested in, like I promise. Alcohol addiction research happens at UK.